Hi guys, it's me. So we're gonna play DTI with my bestie Jershawn. So guys, we're gonna make. I will make a kinda fancy outfit in DTI. Can't do never wanted to. Let's go. So guys, I reached Runway Diva. How exciting is that, guys? And I bought the Diva walk, like my friend, well, bestie, say yours. I'm gonna do kind of black and white. I hope my bestie sees this video. Well, maybe. I don't know. So guys, how are you doing? Sorry for not posting lately. I was busy on grinding Runway Diva. So yeah. So let's be silent for now. By the way, shout out to my bestie. Because she's my bestie, she needs to say shout out. Well, can you use this? Quite good. Yeah. No, wait. Okay, I'm gonna put the white. This black. Oh no, I don't have shoes yet. I don't know what to take off. And sorry for the lag. rid of something. I'm gonna put some baits. Okay. So yours. Can I eat? No, brother. What should I take off when I layer this? Good. Oh. I don't know what to take off. For this? Okay. Danger. You and I got you. Sorry for the lag. Like I have bad Wi-Fi. Let's wait for my bestie. I hope she sees this video. By the way, don't make the noisy sounds at the back. I see her. I think that's her. Or no? No. Sorry for the lag again. Oh no, I forgot. It's hot. How crazy, huh? There's me. What? Hi. So guys, this is our final looks. Do we eat or no? Leave comments of our outfits. So yeah.